Komoot has introduced 2 new features in the last few days, and in this video I want to show you what's new in Komoot. Hi, I'm Thomas, your auto tech instructor. In my videos I show you how to use apps and devices related to fitness and outdoor. Komoot has made changes to the map controls. The changes are waiting for you when you select the maps. The toggle for the map view is now located in the lower left corner of the map. If you click on the symbol, the menu opens. If you move the mouse over the map again, the menu closes automatically. Let's look at the structure of the map switcher. I click on the symbol again. The available maps are listed one below the other. Clicking on More Maps opens the menu further. The currently selected map is marked with a green dot. More map details are available to premium subscribers. These are the usual sport-specific maps for hiking, cycling and mountain biking. For premium users, there is another improvement. The sport-specific maps are now also displayed in the satellite view and can thus be used in combination for planning. A short note on my own behalf: in my German channel Harzer Bergwald, you will now also find a shop. For my Planet Scandinavian tour, I had different designs created by Nordic motifs such as moose, reindeer, bear and salmon. You can find shirts, sweaters, etc. there in my shop. The second innovation also concerns the map switcher. You will already have noticed the Komoot Trail View option. With this option, you can now get an idea of the trails you want to plan. These are filtered photos of Komoot users that have been positioned on these sections. If you activate the option, you can recognize Komoot Trail View by the green dots. Click on a dot to assess the trails before planning. This feature complements the Street View option in the waypoints that was introduced a while ago. Optional displays such as the sport-specific maps and Komoot Trail View are hidden again in the map switcher by clicking on the blue X behind the option. Both updates are so far limited to the desktop version of Komoot. You can find more Komoot tutorials in the playlist on the top left. You can find out all about my Google My Maps tutorials in the playlist on the bottom left. I am Thomas, your auto tech instructor. For more news, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell, and I would be happy to hear your opinion about my tutorials. See you next time.